my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use benzoyl peroxide for back acne. Now, from my experience, it works the best to use a benzoyl peroxide cleanser, since it is a rinse-off product that you can easily use in the shower to treat your acne. And that's what I'm about to share with you. So when looking into a benzoyl peroxide cleanser, you can get it from different brands, and they're even available in different strengths. If you can, I recommend starting off with the lowest percentage so that you can see how this works before getting into a higher percentage. Now here you can see some examples that I have already tried, and one thing that all benzoyl peroxide cleansers have in common is that you're going to apply it to wet skin, then you're going to massage it on the affected area for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it off with water. And so that's now what I'm about to share with you, so make sure to take your benzoyl peroxide cleanser with you in the shower, and then go by your usual shower routine. So if that's you're washing your hair and body as well, while in between working with your benzoyl peroxide, go ahead and do so. In this video, I just want to keep the main focus on back acne, but of course, if you experience acne on your shoulders or on your chest as well, you can use this product on those areas too to treat your acne, so go ahead and do it. This won't really change the entire application, as I'm about to share with you. So when using water, always make sure that you're using lukewarm water to warm water so it feels comfortable on the skin when doing this. So let's get started. So then go ahead and take your benzoyl peroxide cleanser. Use about a coin size amount, more or less. This of course depends on how large the area may be. In my case, it's mainly on the upper part of my back and a bit on my shoulders, so this should be more than enough. However, of course, if it goes further down or you want to cover larger areas in general, you can use a bit more than that. Just make sure to keep the focus on the affected areas only, since it is a treatment cleanser, not your usual like body wash that you would use in the shower. So about that much, more or less. And then massage it between your fingers and then start gently massaging it on the affected area for about 1 to 2 minutes. So what you can also do is massage it on the affected area for about half a minute to a minute, and then you're going to leave it another minute just on the skin before you're going to rinse it off. So once you have massaged it all over the affected area, now you can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. Now please make sure to properly rinse everything off so that there's no residue left, because benzoyl peroxide can bleach not only dyed hair but dyed fabric as well. So meaning if there's still some residue on the back and you're going to use a towel, it may bleach your towel in that specific case. So take your time to properly rinse it off so that this won't happen. So once you have properly rinsed everything off and you're done in the shower, go ahead and grab a towel and pat everything dry. Now there are certain points that I still do want to emphasize before I let you go, and this is the overall frequency. So if you're using a low percentage benzoyl peroxide cleanser, you can use it more often than if you would use a high percentage benzoyl peroxide cleanser. From my experience, a 4 to 5% benzoyl peroxide cleanser works just as effective as a 10%, but it's not going to cause as much dryness or irritation than if you would use a higher percentage. So that's already one of the major differences. And when working with a benzoyl peroxide cleanser, you can use it daily up to once or twice per day daily, even sometimes 3 times per day, but I recommend starting off slowly to see what your skin can tolerate. If a bit of dryness and irritation should occur, my best advice would be give it a break, and then if everything has calmed down again, you can continue using it. I do not really honestly, like let's say I'm not the biggest fan of working with a moisturizer afterwards, because I sometimes feel like it's going to make the situation worse. So instead of using a moisturizer, I prefer to let my skin rest, and then I'm going to just keep on going with my usual routine. So there are some points that you can keep in mind and follow as well when using a benzoyl peroxide cleanser to treat your back acne. And so I do hope that you enjoyed this video, that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it. And if you now want to see how you can use a benzoyl peroxide cleanser for your face, or you may want to do a double cleanse with it, because that's a bit different as if you would use it on the body, I'm going to leave the videos at the end of this video. But if you want to learn more about skincare in general, you will find more videos on my YouTube channel as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye!